How are you all? I hope that you all are fine. My name is Veda Nirali from Saraswati Group of Education. And today we are going to learn a new grammar topic, that is the use of have, has, had and do, does, did. First of all, let me tell you that what is have, has, had and do, does, did. What are these words? These words are the helping verbs. કે આપણે જેમ is, am, are, was, were related learn કર્યું હતું કે main verb ને support કરે છે, help કરે છે, right? So આ પણ helping verb જ છે. Have, has, had and do, does, did. These are also the helping verbs only. Now, first of all, we will learn that have, has and had. What are the use of have, has and had? Had is nothing but it is just the past form of have and has. Had છે એ past form છે, એટલે કે જ્યારે આપણે ઓલરેડી કઈ બી વસ્તુ થઈ ગઈ છે એની કઈ વાત કરી છે તો એ had નો યુઝ ત્યારે થાય છે. અને have અને has, this is used to show that someone owns something, એટલે કઈ possession દેખાડે છે કે આ વસ્તુ મારી છે, અધિકાર જતાવે છે. At that time have and has નો use કરવામાં આવે છે. Now have, has and had, when has we are using for the third person singular, એટલે કે third person singular means he, she, it and the name of any person, name of any person, but all these things must be in singular form, that time we are going to use has. Okay, કે જ્યારે he, she, it નો આપણે યુઝ કર, જ્યારે સેન્ટેન્સમાં he, she, it or કોઈ બી એક પર્સનનું નેમ આપ્યું હોય, must be in singular form, right? he, she, it તો સિંગ્યુલરમાં જવાનું છે, but name of any person, that is only a one person, તો ત્યારે has નો યુઝ થશે. And then I, we, you, they and more than two persons, more than two persons, when the words like I, we, you, they, right? And when we are talking about more than one person, right? More than two persons or one person, when it is in plural form, at that time we are going to use have. And when we are talking about past tense, જે already વસ્તુ થઈ ગઈ છે ત્યારે, at that time for the past form we will use had. Past tense માટે use કરવાનું હોય ત્યારે we are going to use had. He, she, it and name of any person, then has. I, we, you, they and more than two persons or one person, then we are going to use have. And then afterward for the past form, જે already વસ્તુ જે કાંઈ બી થઈ ગયું છે, at that time we are going to use had. Now have, has and had we are using to show possession, to show possession means if you are saying that this thing is mine, તો એ possession તમે કઈ અધિકાર દેખાડો છો, right? That someone owns something, એ વસ્તુ કઈ કોકની છે. So at that time you are going to use have, as and had as a helping verb, or sometimes these words are also used as a main verb. Okay, now we will solve the exercise so that you can get the clear idea of this thing. yesterday. So here the word yesterday is given. So we are talking here, they are talking about past tense. Past tense ની વાત થાય છે. Yesterday वो अपन आइडिया આવી ગયો કે આ past tense ની વાત થાય છે. So we are going to use had. She had a tough test yesterday. Now India, a very diverse culture. Now India, we are talking about only one country, only India. So as I told you, okay, when we are talking about a singular thing, જ્યારે singular માં હોય, જ્યારે એક જ વસ્તુની વાત થતી હોય, at that time we are going to use has. So India has a very diverse culture. Now the third one, I dash time for you any day. Time for you any day. So as I shown in the table, that when I is there, we are going to use have. So here I is there, I, we, you, they, or plural form. So at that time we are going to use have. So I have time for you any day. You are just supposed to remember that table which I explained you, and then it will be easier for you to solve the exercise. Now the next is, do you dash a pen? So here you is there. So when you is there, we are going to use have. Do you have a pen? Then next one, he dash fear of heights. So over here, he, as I told you that when he, she or it or any singular person is there, we are going to use has. So here he is there, so in this blank has will come. He has a fear of heights. So in this way you are supposed to solve the blanks of have, has and had. Now the next thing which we are going to study about do, does and did. Okay, so now we are going to learn the use of do, does and did, as we have already learned the use of have, has and had. Now we are going to start with do, does and did. So in the same way, does we are going to use for he, she, it and a singular name. When there is he, she, it or a singular name in the sentence, you are going to use does. In the same way, when we were using have, when the words like I, we, you, they and the plural names, we were using have. So over here we are going to use do. And did is for the past tense. Did is the past tense of do. કે did છે એ do નું past tense છે. એટલે past tense ની જ્યારે વાત થતી હોય ત્યારે તમારે did નો યુઝ કરવાનો છે. Now one more important thing, that when you are using this have, has, had and do, does, did, means they all are the helping verbs, right? That is supporting verb. So when the supporting verb is in past tense, like I say over here, કે when the supporting verb જ્યારે supporting verb past tense માં હોય છે ત્યારે આપણો જે main verb જે છે at that time the main verb is always in the present tense કે main verb છે present tense માં એટલે કે એના જે base form માં જે original જે word હોય છે એનો base word એ જ form માં રહેશે. when the helping verb is in past tense at that time the main verb is always in the present tense, that is it is in its base form એટલે કે એના base form માં જ રહેશે જ્યારે supporting verb past tense માં હોય ત્યારે. and he, she, it or any singular name is there, then you are supposed to use does, and I, we, you, they or any plural names is there, so you are going to use do. And for the past tense you are going to use did. Now let us solve the exercise so that you can get a clear idea of this. What dash you know about basketball? So over here you is there. અહીંયા you આપેલું છે. So when you is there you are supposed to use do. What do you know about basketball? Now the next sentence dash she reached school on time yesterday. So over here she is there, and again here yesterday is written. So we can say that this sentence is in past tense. આ sentence past tense માં છે કેમ કે અહીંયા word yesterday use થયો છે. So when the sentence is in past tense we are going to use did. Did she see over here the main verb is reach. અહીંયા main verb છે reach છે. So you can see કે reach છે એ એના present form માં જ છે. It has not converted its form into any past form. Because as I told you that when we are using the helping verb as in the past form, જ્યારે helping verb આપણે past form માં use કરી છે ત્યારે main verb છે એ present form માં જ રહેશે. Now the third one, the gift shop blank not open last week. So here we are talking about last week. So again this sentence is in past tense. So when the sentence is in past tense we are going to use did. The gift shop did not open last week. Then the next sentence, I dash what I can for my friend. So here the word I is given. So when the word I is there, you are supposed to use do. I do what I can for my friend. Now the next, Neha all the cleaning every day. Now here the singular name is there, only the one person is there over here in this sentence. So when we are talking about a singular person, you are supposed to use does. So Neha does all the cleaning every day, right? you have understood that when you are supposed to use have, has, had and do, does and did. Now we are going to solve the next exercise. Okay, now in this exercise, you can see over here that I have written some words, right? So with the help of these words, Sanya painting last week. Now by adding some of the words and by adding have, has, had or do, does, did, any of the word, you are supposed to write the full sentence, means you are supposed to complete the full sentence. How you will do that? Sanya, here last week is there. So we will come to know that we are supposed to write in past tense only. So Sanya did this painting last week. Sanya did this painting last week. Right? Now the next is Amal, homework and yesterday. Again yesterday is there, so the sentence is in past tense. So you are supposed to write had or did. So Amal did his homework yesterday. Amal did his homework yesterday. Now, he calculations this morning. He calculations this morning means they are talking about the present tense. So, he did this calculation because this morning એટલે આ બી થોડું past તો આજ દિવસની વાત થાય છે. But if they are talking in the evening, તો એ સવારની વાત થતી હોય તો એ already past form થઈ ગયું. So he did this calculations this morning. Suman nothing all day. So Suman did nothing all day. Suman did, because the sentence is in past tense, nothing all day. Now Tara assignment 2 days ago. Tara completed the assignment 2 days ago. Tara completed the assignment 2 days ago. So here you can see that there is no helping verb in the sentence given. આપણે અહીંયા helping verb નો use નથી કર્યો. So students, it is not necessary કે every time helping verb નો use થાય જ sentence માં. Sometimes it is not necessary to write the helping verb, only the main verb is needed to complete the sentence. So you can see over here, Tara completed the assignment 2 days ago. Now she exercised today. She has done her exercise. Done her today. She has done her exercise today. So you can see with the help of some words we have completed the sentence. So in the same way you are supposed to solve the exercise in this way only. Some of the words will be given and you are supposed to write the full sentence with the help of these words and by using other words also. So Now let's have a quick recap of what we have learned in today's session. We have learned the use of have, has, had and do, does, did. In have, has and had. Have we are using when the words like I, we, you, they and any plural names is given. At that time we are going to use have. Then has when the words like he, she, it or any singular name is there. Then at that time we will use has. And for the past tense we are going to use had. Now in the same way, do we are going to use when the words like I, we, you, they and plural names. Does, he, she, it and any singular name. And then did we are going to use for the past tense. And the main thing which I told you that when the verb, supporting verb that is helping verb is in past tense, at that time the main verb is always in the present tense, that is it is in the base form. Okay? And I will send you the worksheet related to this topic which you are supposed to solve it in your book. Okay? So till then, bye bye. Thank you. Take good care of yourself.